Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to drive a Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat. First, let's get comfortable. Ensure your seat and mirrors are perfectly adjusted for optimal visibility and control. Locate the push-button start and the key fob. Take a moment to understand the various drive modes, such as street, sport, and track, which significantly alter the car's dynamics. If your Hellcat has an automatic transmission, familiarize yourself with the paddle shifters for manual gear selection. The Hellcat is a beast, boasting over 700 horsepower. When accelerating, apply the throttle smoothly and progressively. Abrupt inputs can easily overwhelm the rear tires. Remember, the red key unlocks the full 797 horsepower, while the black key limits output to 500 horsepower, which is still substantial. Always respect the car's power and let the traction control and stability systems assist you. Cornering in a Hellcat requires precision. Approach turns at a controlled speed, gently applying the powerful Brembo brakes. These brakes are designed for high-performance stopping, featuring 6-piston calipers in the front. Look through the turn to where you want to go, guiding the car smoothly. Avoid sudden steering or braking inputs while in a corner, as this can upset the car's balance and traction. For those looking to truly master the Hellcat, consider enrolling in an advanced driving course. These programs teach you how to safely explore the car's capabilities. Always drive within your personal limits and the prevailing road conditions. Regularly check your tire pressure. It's crucial for maintaining optimal grip and handling. Stay vigilant and aware of your surroundings, as the Hellcat demands your full attention.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.